First task. First task is to predict the score of a student who study for 9.2 hours per day. First, importing libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Bone, and sklearn. Pandas and NumPy module is used for data visualization. Matplotlib and Seaborn module is used for data visualization, and sklearn is also used for modeling. First, CSV file is read using this function. Then first 5 element of the given data set is printed using this function. And again shape of data set, column names and column data type is printed using this function. Then score is described. Then null function. Null function detect missing value in the given series object. It return a boolean same size object indexing. Heat map plot is plotting with the use of null function. Now find out the percentile of each predictor with the use of this function, and also find out to check the outliers in the data by plotting the box plot. Box plot is plotting with the use of score, and again box plot is plotting with the use of hours, and now plotting second graph of this plot with the use of scores, and bean is given 10, and heat map plot is plotting with the use of score correlation value, and graph is shown in this figure. X and Y value is also find out, and X train, X test, Y train, Y test value is find out using train test split function, and in this function test size is given 0.3 and random state is given 2. And now X train, Y train, X state and Y test shape is also find out using this function and print it. Score regression and Y prediction is also defined using this function, and training score and test score is also present between X train and Y train, and test score is present between X test and Y test. Now actual score predict score is also present. In the actual score is initialization with Y test and predict score Y prediction, and residual is difference between Y test minus Y prediction. And now scatter plot is plotting with the use of X train, Y train, and color is given green. Hours and versus title is given. In the X label hours is put and Y label score is put, and again scatter plot is put between actual score versus predict score. Then mean absolute error and root mean square is also find out with the use of this function between Y test and Y prediction. SciPy module used to find out app statics and t static value is find out number of hours 9.25 is given in the tasks, and find out the predict score, and it is given 96.016, and second method is alternative way to calculate the score of the student, and I am use this y equal to mx plus c, where m equal to coefficient and c equal to intercept. M and c value is also put, and x is given number of hours 9.25, and find out predict score, and predict score is similar in both methods. Thank you.